Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to allow microphone access in Gmail on your PC, thanks to a new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Enter your credentials if prompted, and you'll be welcomed by your inbox. Next, look at the web address at the top of your browser. Next to it, you'll see a small icon that represents site information. Click on that icon to proceed. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains essential details and settings for the site. Now look for the option labeled Site Settings and click on it. This will open a new tab or window where you can adjust specific permissions for Gmail. Now, we're on the final stretch. In the Site Settings menu, you will see a section labeled Permissions. Within this section, look for Microphone. By default, it might be set to Blocked. To get things working, click on the drop-down menu next to Microphone and select Allow. And there you go. You've successfully enabled microphone access for Gmail on your PC. Now you can make voice calls, record audio, or use other microphone features directly within the platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy emailing!